on 27th of May 2021. The phone comes with a 6.00-inch touchscreen display. Oppo Reno 6 comes with 8GB of RAM. The Oppo Reno 6 runs Android 11 and is powered by a 4300 mAh battery. The Oppo Reno 6 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo Reno 6 on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. It sports a 32-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The Oppo Reno 6 runs ColorOS 11, is based on Android 11 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage. The Oppo Reno 6 is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. It was launched in blue color. Connectivity options on the Oppo Reno 6 include Wi-Fi, GPS, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include in-display fingerprint sensor.